Norms are important because they're a powerful source of social influence. Let's take a look at how they impact individuals and groups. First, these expectations provide a guide for how to behave and standards against which we compare our behaviors. Think about your morning routine. You might use an alarm to wake up, drink coffee and eat breakfast, take a hot shower and get dressed. These are the unwritten rules for how to get ready for the day, and you likely learned them from watching others. We follow them because we recognize their legitimacy. That is, most people follow them, and they help us reach our goals of getting to work or school. What's interesting is that norms vary from group to group, culture to culture. In the USA, alarms, coffee, and hot showers are normal. In other parts of the world, however, you might wake up to the sound of roosters, drink tea instead, and take a cold shower. So, how you behave is a reflection of your environment, including your group's norms. And norms are a reflection of the group's values and identity, another reason it's important for us to study them. A group that expects its members to wake up early and exercise together likely values physical fitness, discipline, and predictability. Over time, members internalize the group's values, and they become part of their social identities. In addition, awareness of group norms can help us cope in ambiguous situations and avoid embarrassment. When we know what's expected of us and what to expect from others, our brains can rest, and we can make a plan of action. When we don't know, our brains are on high alert, and we aren't as confident in our decisions. Imagine you just started working at a new job, and you know very little about the company and your role. To get through the first day, you probably watch your colleagues, taking note of what they do and how they do it. Maybe the parking lot is confusing, or the supervisor is strict about taking breaks. So, by observing others, you can learn how to avoid embarrassing situations. Following norms also helps us avoid condemnation. When a member violates a norm, they risk damaging their relationships and their status within the group, and they may experience backlash from the others. Finally, group norms can sometimes bias members' perceptions, leading them to behave in undesirable ways. Sometimes we incorrectly assume a behavior is normal, but, statistically, it's much less common. This is called pluralistic ignorance, being ignorant of what's truly normal in a group. For instance, college students often believe that it's normal to drink excessive amounts of alcohol, but statistically speaking, this behavior is less common and less acceptable than they think. So, be on the lookout for counterproductive norms that encourage negative, unhealthy behaviors. Once norms are established, they're difficult to change,